Guys, welcome to his Deriv channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys to this boom and crash spike catching strategy. This strategy is very effective. As you can see there, this is a sniper entry strategy, guys. You can see how I quickly catch this spike on crash 1000 with this simple technique, simple trick to catch this boom and crash spike. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also I post notification. After I post strategy, you guys will be aware. So guys, let's quickly dive into strategy without wasting much of our time. Now, I want to show you guys one thing. I've already created a strategy on how you guys can use this all those indicators we are seeing on my chart. So same thing applicable. I'm not using the strategy to trade, but I want to quickly show you guys what I quickly trade the trade without wasting much of your time. Now, you can see something right here. Now you can see when you switch your 1 hour time frame, you can see what the market is doing right here. This market is creating something we call lower high, which means that the market is trending to the downside. Now I quickly shoot my 1 hour time frame and I figure out that I figure out this zone right here. I quickly figure out this one right here. That is this is the next reactive zone, which means that this zone is where the market might likely spike. So I quickly now after I figured that out on my 1 hour time frame, I quickly switch my 15-minute time frame. Now when I switch my 15-minute time frame, I figured out that the zone that I've already drawn that is the reactive zone, which you can see right there. The market tests this area multiple times. The market tests that zones multiple times. So which means that that's a reactive zone. That's a reactive zone. Then when I see that, I use my sell limit to take the trade, and immediately I use my sell limit after my market executed, but the market will literally spike, which you are seeing right here. For what I've already run into a massive profit, and also I took a trade on 500 with this technique, with this strategy, and I also in massive profits, guys. Now let me show you guys. Now as you can see, when I now switch to a 5-minute time frame, and now see that this is the key zones right here, and that is when I quickly open my sell limits, and what I took it here, and you can see I catch the spike. But this is sniper edge spike catching. Now let me quickly show you guys the techniques that I used to take the trade on crash orders. I'm very you guys love this type of content. You can see this is a crazy spike, guys. This is a crazy spike on crash orders as well. You can see I'm very excited that I would know this market and I am going on it. If you want account management, you can contact this number you are seeing at the top. Contact number, I will do account management for you, so we share the profit. And also, if you want to join my Telegram channel for free signal, you can join my Telegram channel. So without wasting more of our time, I also switch my 1 minute time frame to find out my key zones. Now, when I see my key zones right here, I quickly see this one right here that is a reactive zone. Now, when I switch my 15-minute time frame, I figure that the zone is very reactive. I figure that this zone is very reactive, which means that the market tested that area out and react to that areas. So when I figure that out, then I quickly switch my 5-minute time frame to figure out that zones, and I quickly see that this zone is a crazy zone, guys, a crazy zone. Then I set my sell limit, and then I quickly took the trade, and you can see I'm running to a massive profit. That's the strategy, guys. That strategy is a simple technique strategy. You can be using it you can spike on boom and crash. This strategy is very effective, and it's a quick and easy strategy, guys. If you're into my channel, if you love this type of content, don't forget to comment down below. And also, if you want to join my Telegram channel, you can quickly join for free. That's my Telegram channel. Is in the link on the description below. And also, if you want to account management, just contact this number you are seeing on the screen. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the post notification. Next time I'm going to strategy, you guys will have it. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video.